Hello everyone, I, Gini Bharadwaj, welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin.
Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan of Sanskrit Prant Vishay Pramukh Shri Budhiya Ramji.
अनाहुतः प्रविशति आप्रेष्टो बहुभाषते अविश्वस्ते विश्वसेते मूढ़चेता नराधमः। किसी जगह पर बिना बुलाए चले जाना, बिना पूछे बहुत अधिक बोलते रहना, जिस चीज़ या व्यक्ति पर विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए उस पर विश्वास करना मूर्ख लोगों के लक्षण होते हैं। अमृत वचन, मीठा बोल संक्षिप्त और बोलने में सरल हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अच्छी गूंज अनंत होती है। भारत माता की जय।
Now, let's take a look at the headlines of the past week. Martyrdom Day of Sahebzadas of 10th Guru Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji celebrated on 21st of December in all the schools. Ramanujan compiled about 3,900 results in his short life of 32 years, said Neelam Sharma Jalandhar. Prachar Vibhag workshop concluded in Mansa and Muksar. Farmers Day organized at Prakashpati Jalandhar 43B and 40D Chandigarh Vidya Mandir. Sports fair organized at Basi Bajid, Mukeria and Hajipur. Efficiency classes held in Chokran, Nabha, Phagwada, Bani Lodhi and Ram Darbar to update the teachers about effective teaching as per the new Education Policy 2020. Information and broadcasting on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as Shri Muksar Sahib Ministry of India organizes awareness camp on COVID-19 vaccination. Bal Bharti and Kanya Bharti formed at Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Sector 43B, Chandigarh. Workshop of Moral and Spiritual Education held in MLB Vidya Bharti Gurukul Jagrao. Fancy dress competition celebrated with enthusiasm at Bhojraj Pyari Devi Fulchand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Abohar. Educational, historical and religious tours organized by the students of Dera Basi and Rampura Phul Sarvitkari. Prantiya Skill Education Director Shri Subhash Mahajan's stay concluded.
Now, the news in detail.
The Martyrdom Day of the four Sahebzadas of the 10th Guru Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji was celebrated with the full devotion in all Vidya Mandirs. Everyone saluted the little martyrs with devotion. On the 7th day of the month, his entire family was separated from Guru Gobind Singh Ji. How the elder Sahebzade Baba Ajit Singh Ji and Jujar Singh Ji were martyred in Chamkaur Sahib Gadi and the younger Sahebzadas Baba Zorawar Singh and Fateh Singh were buried into the wall in Sarhand. This was explained in detail to the students. In fact, this entire week was dedicated to their martyrdom. On this occasion, Shabd and poetry were recited by the students. A documentary film depicting the bravery of the four Sahebzadas was shown to the students. The martyrdom of the four Sahebzadas is such an unprecedented event in the history of the world. A father sent his sons to be martyred on the battlefield by giving them weapons, and his sons also sacrificed their lives happily to protect their religion. Ramanujan had compiled about 3,900 results in his short life of 32 years. It is noteworthy that on 22nd of December, Maths Day was celebrated in all the schools. This day was celebrated on the birth anniversary of the great mathematician of India, Ramanujan. On this occasion, the students did various types of drawing activities, poetry recitation, activity on even and odd numbers, clock making, word puzzle, skit and board mass, etc. Workshops of Prachar Vibhag of Vidya Bharati Punjab were concluded on 22nd of December. Mansa Vibhag's meeting, Chetan Singh Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Mansa, and the meeting of Muksar department was held at Shri Surendra Kumar Gupta Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Shri Muksar Sahib. In these meetings, the guidance of Prant Prachar Pramukh Shri Rajesh Kumar was received. Farmers' Day is celebrated every year on 23rd of December to honor the work done by the farmers of the country. In this sequence, Kisan Divas was organized at Prakashpati Jalandhar 43B and 40D Chandigarh schools. Poems were presented by the students on the occasion of Kisan Divas. Through these poems, the message was given to the farmers that they are our food providers and it has an important place in our life. On 23rd and 24th December, sports fairs were organized at Basi Bajid, Mukeria and Hajipur. Traditional games like rope jumping, pyramid, musical chair, candle burning with frog race, 100 meters long, three-legged sack, spoon kancha, relay, etc. were there, in which the students as well as their parents were appeared interesting, and they came in large numbers to those sports fairs. Last week, Dakshata works were held at Chokra Nabha, Fagwada, Bani Lodi, and Ram Darbar to update the teachers about effective teaching as per the new Education Policy 2020. In these skill classes, various types of training were given to the teachers for the overall development of the students. The teachers openly discussed various topics among themselves. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, Narnaul and Mandi field units organized COVID-19 vaccination and awareness camp in Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The event was held at Shri Surendra Gupta Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir of Shri Muktsar Sahib. In this program, Adhikaris explained in detail the measures to prevent corona. At the end of the camp, principal of the school, Mr. Puran Chandji, thanked the guests who visited. On 18th of December, Bal Bharti and Kanya Bharti were formed by the election process at Shri Kulwant Rai Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Chandigarh. In this election, Anu of class 8 was declared as Prime Minister and Ananya as Deputy Prime Minister. He and the ministers of other departments were sworn. A workshop on moral and spiritual education was organized on 23rd of December at MLB Vidya Bharti Gurukul Jagrao, in which the principal of the school, Mrs. Suman Preet Kaur, was a chief guest. Mrs. Kamaldeep Kaurji told many things based on why and how children should help others. The workshop ended with the Sukna Mantra. On 20th of December, Bhojraj Pyari Devi Fulchand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Abohar, as per the guidelines of Vidya Mandir head Shri Bikram Dutt Garg Ji, State Representative Shri Shyam Sundar Ji and Chief in charge of Vidya Bharti, Mrs. Jyoti Bhatla Ji, dress competition was organized. The children were dressed in their colorful costumes and a few lines were spoken on the characters depicted by them. The efforts and hard work of the students were highly appreciated. On 22nd of December, Sarvitkari Dera Basi, while on 17th December, the students of Rampura Phul were taken on educational, historical and religious tour where the children got various types of information. They enjoyed a lot on this excursion. Recently, the stay of the Director of Provincial Skill Education, Shri Subhash Mahajan Ji, was completed in Maloya, Khumano, 40D and 43B Chandigarh and Dera Basi. He inquired about the functioning, features and required improvement areas of the school. After that, many suggestions were given to improve the image of the school. Now, one photo, one news. In Keshav Vidya Niketan Jalandhar, Girish Baliji gave tips for the students of science in the 9th grade. Dental checkup camp organized at Shri Roshan Lal Jain Sarvitkari Abohar. Nutritious food activity organized in the Sarvitkari Shishu Vatika Kharad. Former Acharya Didi online meeting held in Morinda in which Shri Vijay Nadda Ji's guidance was received. Pravas by teachers of Shishu Vatika of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Khumano in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Dera Basi. Dr. Rajan Chabra addressed the students at Fazilka Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. Meeting of management committee members was held on 21st of December at Seth Meghan Chand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Phulo Meeting. A seminar organized for information about traffic rules at Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Barnala. Yoga activities were done in Shishu Vatika, Baluana, explaining the importance of yoga to the children. The workers of Vidyadham Jalandhar cleaning under Tuesday Seva Var. A speech competition organized on the topic Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in Dinanagar. Now presenting the beautiful presentation of Lodi made under Hamare Vidya Mandir series.
हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से, धन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, आराधन राष्ट्र आराधन। अंतर से मुख से कृति से निश्चल हो निर्मल मति से, श्रद्धा से मस्तक नत से हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, आराधन करें राष्ट्र आराधन। अपने हंसते शैशव से, अपने खिलते यौवन से, प्रौढ़ता पूर्ण जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र का अर्चन, हम करें राष्ट्र का अर्चन। हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें।
Now, a presentation of Shishu Vatika.
ਜਾਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੋਤਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਘਬਰਾਉਣਾ, ਜਾਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਪੋਤਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਘਬਰਾਉਣਾ, ਕੀ ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ, ਕੀ ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ। ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਰੀਤ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਸਹਾਰੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਰੀਤ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਸਹਾਰੇ, ਜਿੱਤਿਆ ਸੱਚ ਅਖੀਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਪੀ ਸਭ ਹਾਰੇ, ਸੱਚ ਸਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਸੱਚ ਸਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਪੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਜਮਾਉਣਾ, ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ। ਪੋਤੇ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੂਰਮੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਮਰ ਨਿਆਣੀ, ਪੋਤੇ ਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਸੂਰਮੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਮਰ ਨਿਆਣੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ ਅਣਖ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕਹਾਣੀ, ਇਸੇ ਉਮਰ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਰੁਤਬਾ ਪਾਉਣਾ, ਇਸੇ ਉਮਰ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਰੁਤਬਾ ਪਾਉਣਾ, ਕੀ ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ। ਲਹੂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਨੀਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੋਣਾ, ਲਹੂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਨੀਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੋਣਾ, ਕਾਰਜ ਮੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਹੋਣਾ, ਜਾਇਓ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਡੀਕ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਜਾਇਓ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਡੀਕ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਕੀ ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ, ਕੀ ਡਰਨਾ ਉਸ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਹੀ ਆਉਣਾ, ਜਾਇਓ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਡੀਕ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ। ਮਾਂ ਸਦਕੇ ਮਾਂ ਮਰ ਜਾਏ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੋਤਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ, ਮਾਂ ਸਦਕੇ ਮਾਂ ਮਰ ਜਾਏ ਮੈਂ ਮੰਗਰੇ ਆਉਣਾ।
That's all for this week. See you in the next bulletin. Jai Hind.